Hello students, in the previous video I had explained you regarding the concept of practical problems on union and intersection. So I had explained you three examples regarding that. Those were examples. The basic formula what I had explained you was n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Very important formula. Okay. Then related to 3. If there are 3 sets given, then it is n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Regarding that, you have only related to 2 sets. So all the examples from exercise number 1.6, last exercise of your first chapter, that is exercise number 1.6, all the examples, if you see, they all are comprising of only 2 sets. Erada sets tagonda all 8 examples idava. 8 examples ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ 2 sets ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದಾವೆ. Okay, so I'll explain you one by one complete exercise of your exercise number 1.6. Please see it very thoroughly. If you have solved it, please verify your answers also. Okay, so here what is given? If x and y are 2 sets such that n of x is equal to 17, n of y is equal to 23, n of x union y is equal to 38. Find x intersection y. Very direct question it is. So what you have to do now? First write down the given things. N of x 17, n of y 23, n of x union y is equal to 38. Okay, now I write the formula. N of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. This is the formula. N of x union y given how much? 38 is equal to n of x given 17 plus n of y 23 minus, this is not given, idana find madlik helara, n of x intersection y. Okay, so 38 is equal to 17 plus 23, if you do, you will get 40 is minus n of x intersection y. So ಇದು minus n of x intersection y left hand side ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ n of x intersection y plus is equal to 40 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇದು 38 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರ minus 38 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so now n of x intersection y is equal to 40 minus 38 ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. So 2 is your final answer. So find n of x intersection y helara. So n of x intersection y will be equal to 2. Okay, first example. Second example, this is also again a direct question. If x and y are 2 sets such that x union y has 18 elements. Okay, x has 8 elements and y has 15 elements. How many elements does x intersection y have? Same question. Okay, but ಏನು ಮಾಡಾರಿಲ್ಲೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ವೈ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ? 18. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 8. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 15. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವೈ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, same formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. n of x union y given 18 is equal to 8 plus 15 minus n of x intersection y. Okay. So 18 is equal to 15 plus 8 is 23 minus n of x intersection y. So ಇದು minus n intersection y ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. n of x intersection y is equal to 23 minus 18, which is equal to 5. So n of x intersection y is 5. Okay, first two examples are similar. Please verify your answer if you have solved it. Next, I'll move to the third example. So third example in the ಏನಿದಾವ direct ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So H ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. H is Hindi. Okay. Then E is somewhere around English. Okay. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ n of H union E ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of people. Total number of people is how much? 400 people. In that 400 people, how many can speak Hindi? Number of people speaking Hindi is 250. Number of people speaking English is how much? It is 200. Either letters ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ A B ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. Okay, then how many speak both Hindi and English? ಅಂದ್ರೆ intersection ಕೇಳಾರ ಎರಡೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಬರೋದು. H intersection E is equal to what? Okay, now n of H union E is equal to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. This is 400 is equal to n of H ಎಷ್ಟದ 250 plus number of elements English 200 minus n of H intersection E. Okay, so nanaga H intersection E beka 400 is equal to 200 plus 250 is 450 minus n of H intersection E. So I bring this n of H intersection E this side. It will be equal to 450 minus 400, which is equal to 50. So 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Okay. So ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ ಅದನ್ನ ಗಿವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಥರ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if S and T are two sets and such that S is having 21 elements, T is having 32 elements. S intersection T has 11 elements. How many elements does S union T have? So all the things are given. N of S is given 21. N of T given 32. N of S intersection T is also given. It is 11. Okay. So n of S union T find ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಾರ. So n of S plus n of T minus n of S intersection T. Okay, n of S union T, you have to find it. Okay, n of S given 21 plus 32 minus 11. So this is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 53 minus 11. So n of S union T is equal to 42. So 42 elements are there in S union T. What is the question given to you? How many elements are there in S union T? So S union T contains 42 elements. Third and fourth example. Okay, next. Okay, fifth and sixth example is here. So if X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. How many elements does Y have? Again, it is a direct equation. N of X is given 40. N of X union Y is given as 60. N of X intersection Y is given as 10. Okay, so if I write the formula, n of X union Y is equal to n of X plus n of Y minus n of X intersection Y. N of X union Y given how much? 60 is equal to n of X 40 plus n of Y don't know. n of x intersection y is 10. Okay, so 60 is equal to 40 minus 10 is 30 plus n of y. So ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಕು n of y because how many elements does y have ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ. So n of y ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ I shift this 30 this side. 60 minus 30 is equal to n of y. Therefore n of y is equal to 60 minus 30 is how much? 30. 30 elements are there in y. So this is fifth example. Okay. Next, sixth example. In a group of 70 people, there are 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 likes tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. So this is given just to make you confused. At least one of the two drinks antandra union iddang. Okay. Then how many people like both tea and coffee is given. So I write now n of C union T. What is C? Coffee. Okay. What is tea? Tea. How many are there total? 70 people are there. In this 70 people, how many are liking coffee? 37. How many are liking tea? 52. How many likes both andra intersection ಕೇಳ್ದಂಗ. Means they should like coffee also and they should like tea also. So now I write n of C union T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. So 70 is equal to 37 plus 52 minus n of C intersection T. So 70 equal to 37 plus 52, 89 minus n of C intersection T. So n of C intersection T, I bring it this side, n of C intersection T is equal to 89 minus 70 which is equal to 19. So 19 people will like both tea and coffee. Okay. So this is fifth and sixth example. Okay, last two more examples are there. I think it is seventh and eighth question. So seventh question, it is little tricky, not that much, but it is already known to you. In a group of 65 people, there are 65 people in total, that is union. 40 likes cricket, 10 likes both cricket as well as tennis. There are two sub questions here. How many will like tennis only, not cricket is there. Okay. The next question is how many will like tennis. So how many will like tennis means what? He may like cricket also, but how many will like tennis means he likes tennis as well as he likes cricket. But ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಾರ, he should like only tennis, not cricket ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಾರ. So very simple. First let me write C is cricket, okay, and T is tennis. First ನಾನು how many likes tennis, second question ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. So n of C union T is given as how much? 65. N of C, number of people liking cricket, is how much? 40. Then n of T is not given to you, put it as a question mark. N of C intersection T, how many will like both, is also given to you, 10. So 10 members are liking both. So now I write with the formula n of C union T is equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. So n of C union T given 65 is equal to 40 plus n of T minus 10. 65 is equal to 30 plus n of T. So I get n of T is equal to 65 minus 30, which is equal to 35. So 35 will like tennis. This is second question. How many likes tennis? 35 people like tennis. There is a difference between tennis, people liking tennis and people liking tennis only. ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ಸು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನದಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, so how many people are liking both cricket as well as tennis? 10 people are there. From the number of people liking tennis, you remove this minus 10. Okay, so n of c intersection t dash ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ they should, sorry, n of t dash ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. n of t dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? They are liking only tennis, not cricket. So what I have to do, from the total number of people playing tennis, total number of people tennis ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? 35 people. They are liking tennis. In that, I remove the people who are liking tennis and cricket also. So 35 minus 10 will be equal to 25. So 25 people will like only tennis. They will not like cricket, because the people who were liking tennis and cricket both, I have removed those 10 people. So 25, what they'll do, they will only like tennis. Okay, this is how we have to take the question. So 35 in total they will like tennis. In that, if you remove the 10 people who are liking both tennis and cricket, if you remove them, you will get 25. So these 25 people will like only tennis. Next, last. In a committee of 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many will speak at least one of these two languages? At least one of these two languages. It is very simple. You have to find union of this. Andra, they may like, they can speak either French or Spanish annang. At least one of the two languages means they can either speak French or they can speak Spanish. So F I take it as French. Okay, and yes, I take it as Spanish. So at least one of the two languages and kotta confusion madkobedri. At least anta andre union. Okay, remember this. So now I write yes, n of F union yes is equal to n of yes, number of people speaking French, plus number of people speaking Spanish, minus number of people speaking both. So this I don't know. French, how many are there? 50 people. Spanish, 20. And how many are speaking both? 10. So this is equal to 70 minus 10 equal to 60. So 60 people can at least speak either French or Spanish. Okay. So these are the 8 questions related to exercise number 1.6. So exercise 1.6 is completed now. That means set theory complete chapter is completed. Next, what I have to do is, there are few examples which you can solve using Venn diagrams or using formula also when 3 sets are given. Okay. So they are considered in miscellaneous examples after 1.6 exercise. They may be asked for your examination or may not be asked. But as far as concerned with most of your question papers, some 1 or 2 examples are asked usually from the miscellaneous, not all. So those examples which are asked repeatedly, I am going to solve it in the next video. So hardly I think 3 to 4 examples are there. If I complete that, complete set theory chapter will be completed. So this week I'll be completing with the set theory chapter. Next week, on the complete chapter of set theory, we shall have one examination. Okay, thank you.